Sharjina or Hala? Favorite character?
Georgina. बाहर में जाओ तुम और बाहर में जाए तुम्हारा हाय हेलो. Like this crazy moment happens. He's singing Ek Kudi, I think. I get slightly tired because I was standing in my boots and everything, so I sit down and I'm just looking up on the screen, and then he just stands like this. I genuinely thought he's calling a kid, वो जैसे ही बुलाते हैं बच्चों को बुलाते हैं लोगों को बुलाते हैं, and the camera start coming towards me and he's like, but why?
Did you finish uni?
No. I started making money. I mean, a teenager's making money. What do you mean?
It's crazy.
The first film that I watched, Badshah.
What a movie.
That was my first Bollywood movie, and I watched it like 25 times. Easy. Qatil bhi ho, sabke dilon mein. I need to visit Chandigarh for sure.
Yeah, why do you want to go to Chandigarh? I love it.
Because my friend Badshah is from Chandigarh.
Addy.
I really want to try vada pav.
फिर उसके लिए मुंबई आ जाओ, ठीक है?
Okay,
बड़ा पाव
ठीक
के लिए
है,
मुंबई आना
ठीक
पड़ेगा
है,
और मिर्ची
ठीक
के
है.
साथ.
I really want to try वो Gujarati food.
Thepla.
Yeah. I've heard a lot about that.
ढोकला.
ऐसे
इंग्लैंड
मेरे
में
दिमाग
आपको.
में ऐसे फीलिंग है कि शायद मुझे पता है कि वो कैसा होगा, but like
ये भगवान.
since a very young age मेरी ना अम्मी के पास एक handicam होता था. We would do these stupid skits and just do fun stuff और वो record करती थी और हम पूरा show करते थे.
So now you have that footage?
I think so. कहीं
That will be
होगी.
amazing, right?
कहीं तो
कहीं तो
होगी.
होगी.
I was just like this weird, smart, funny kid.
You're funny?
I used to be. My co-actor Usman Mukhtar, वो एक चीज थी, wherever we would go, he would introduce the cast. So when he would introduce me towards the end, he would say, रावलपिंडी की जान, बदतमीजी की दुकान.
अरे रे रे.
आमिर.
Tiffany to Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum,
Yeah.
you have captured the hearts of people across the globe. Yeah. We're in Dubai. Are you ready for this episode of the Dubai Journey powered by Kia? Anya, first of all, thank you so much for taking out time. We're in Dubai. And in the beginning only, I want to just say congratulations on all the achievements in your life.
Thank you.
You've done so well. And not just while working in Pakistan, but across the border where we come from in India, but also across the world. Yeah, people love you, and it's like, it's not just, oh, we're fans of her. They love you, man. You're following on social
Okay, stop.
media.
I just stop now.
है ना?
I can't मुझसे नहीं होता.
This is,
नहीं होता
it's
यार.
good. It's
But then
good.
before you
होना नहीं
said should
चाहिए.
we start, we were so normal having great
Yeah.
great conversation, which was very normal. The moment you started this, मैं एकदम ऐसे girl होके ना full ऐसे हो गई.
Which is
Thank you so much.
a mark of a humble person, because every time somebody's appreciating or giving compliments ना,
Yeah.
अगर आप uncomfortable हो रहे हो, मतलब अभी भी आपके अंदर वो down वो है, and that's great. I just want to check that.
Thanks.
So no more
man.
compliments.
Thank you so much.
How-
Thank you.
You're now known across the world. Okay, this again is not, but somewhere is it a बचपन का सपना कि बड़े होके acting करूँगी? You started with Dub Smash and
Yeah.
Musically at that time.
Yeah.
Did you start with Vine? Did you just want to be an influencer? Was it fashion? What was it? How did you start, and how did acting come about?
It's a little bit of why not?
Okay.
And just for fun. A lot of things I choose to do very mindlessly. And sometimes I think, थोड़ा सा सोचना चाहिए. But
There's a good balance between the two.
yeah, so I think that's what happened. I started making dub smashes for no reason. बस ऐसे.
And you were fairly young at that time, you think?
Yeah, what, like 16?
Yeah, so this is like you're still in school and you're making
Yeah.
dub smashes
Yeah,
because
yeah.
कोई
It's a
ऐसा
thing.
agenda नहीं है.
हाँ, जैसे अब
Fair
Instagram में सब use
Fair
करते हैं.
enough,
It was
fair
dub smash and it was new and it was hot and everyone was making them and I made a couple of those.
Okay.
And ये कहानी मैंने बहुत दफा सुनाई हुई है, but a school friend of mine
Yeah.
sent me a message saying this producer's contacted you on Facebook and you're not getting back to him.
Okay.
I was like, what do you mean? अच्छा, मैं देखती हूँ वो others वाला एक folder होता था Facebook पे ना, जिसमें वैसे random चले जाते थे messages. Then I spoke to him and I actually thought कि मुझे scam कर रहे हैं ना पहले.
Which is
कि बस
the
ऐसे.
which is the
Yeah.
first thing that you have
कि
to
मतलब
think
मेरा
about.
क्या लेना देना है, मैं क्या ही कर लूँगी. And then they were like, एक film है, So I remember I was in my room. I came out of the room. My mother and my friends, they were sitting, and I was like, "पता है क्या हुआ है?" And I started laughing, and everyone started laughing. I was like, "हाँ, पीछे ऐसे background में कुछ कर रही होंगी और ये वो ना," and everyone's laughing, and everyone's like, "हाँ, तू बढ़िया heroine or whatever."
You're 16.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Then
And then, so I was living in Aptabad at that time, like 3 hours from Islamabad, the capital,
Okay.
right? Then I moved for my uni, and they were like, "Okay, are you coming to Islamabad? Why don't you come down to Islamabad? And you know, we'll have an audition." और ये बस I was like, ठीक है, चलो सही है. So I told my mom, I was like, मैं जा रही हूँ, and बस मैं चली गई ऐसे. और audition हुआ, उन्होंने contract रखा. अब कुछ समझ नहीं थी. शुक्र है वो अच्छे लोग थे. मैंने बगैर पढ़े मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. I was like, yeah, let's do it.
wow.
And that's
So
it. I came
you
home and my
sang it-
mom was in like shock. She's like, "What do you mean?"
So Dub Smash, Musically, maybe TikTok, all of this is happening.
Musically was actually afterwards.
Okay.
It was only Dub Smash. 6 videos on Dub Smash.
And then you signed your first movie.
I've signed my first movie.
Then you did the movie.
I did the movie.
The movie did
And
well.
the movie did well. I think yeah, it was received well.
It released when you were 17, I'm guessing. You're still studying. You're in
so
uni.
17, 18, I was in uni.
Did you finish uni?
No. I started making money. I mean, a teenager's making money. What do you mean?
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Then once you started acting, did you think, oh man, I'm good at it? Or did you feel like, oh, this is fun? What was it that made you stick?
The first take that I gave on set. And I know it sounds very filmy,
No.
but it was literally that first take I gave, and I had no idea what acting was, क्या करना है, किस तरह dialogue. सबने जब हम rehearsals करते थे सबने कहा था कि कैमरे के सामने तो बड़े-बड़े वो हो जाते हैं, confused हो जाते हैं और ये वो. And I had no idea camera क्या. I'd never seen a camera on set. I was like पता नहीं क्या है. And then I was like ये डब्बा. Like ये इससे
Why should we be conscious of
इससे-
this?
हाँ वो तो उसको उस वक्त तो समझ नहीं आया ना, एंगल्स होते हैं और यहाँ से अच्छे लगते हैं और ये नहीं होता वो नहीं होता, तो उस वक्त तो कुछ समझ नहीं आता. Like, oh, okay, so I did my bit and I enjoyed it. I loved it and I was like, ये तो बड़ा मजा आया.
And that's what they call it natural, right? When you're not conscious, when you're naturally. And so you think acting just comes natural to you then?
I think so. I actually complained to my mom later on because since a very young age, मेरी ना अम्मी के पास एक handycam होता था. तो ना, so since a very young age, my cousins and I, we would do these stupid skits and just do fun stuff. और वो record करती थी और हम पूरा show करते थे. And it was just crazy. And I was like, you never saw it. She's like, कोई करता ही नहीं था, हमें क्या पता भाई ऐसा भी कुछ होता है.
Yeah.
Like-
So now you have that footage?
I think so. कहीं
That would be
होगी.
amazing, right?
कहीं तो
कहीं
होगी.
तो होगी वो
कहीं तो
handicap में.
होगी.
So
Yeah.
what was life now? You're talking about your cousins and all. You grew up in Rawalpindi?
I grew up in Islamabad.
Okay.
I moved to Pindi. मतलब ऐसे divided सा था.
Fair.
कि मैं इस्लामाबाद में थी, पिंडी में थी, but I think वो जो growing up वाला time होता है वो पिंडी में गुजरा. Then
What was your childhood like with your cousins and all? Were you playing a lot of sports, doing drama? What was it?
I was just like this weird, smart, funny kid.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
You're funny?
I used to be. I'd like to believe so. I mean, I like to believe so. I'm still quite funny.
Okay.
But
We'll find out. We'll find out.
I mean, मैं stand up नहीं कर सकती, but
मुझे बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी है
क्या?
कि मैं बहुत funny. ठीक है? And my brother's on the same. He's like, no, bro, you're funny. My parents are like, you're funny. And my wife
yeah,
is on who says, you're not always funny. And
one can't be always.
no, but I am. I'm genuine.
You are.
Growing up, like I'm seeing my daughter now. She's only 7, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of fashion that's coming into her. I don't want to wear this. Can I do this? I want to wear this. Can my hair be like this? If I'm becoming Wednesday for this thing, then I want my hair to be like free.
Yeah.
Did you get into fashion quickly, or when did you get into fashion, or is it a big thing?
I had a huge obsession with coloring my hair.
Okay,
So I once attempted to color my hair grey.
grey.
When I was
What
in
a
university.
color you chose, huh?
Grey.
अभी हो जाएंगे थोड़ा.
ऐसे
Give it a few
red-
years, Baba.
red, purple, pink.
हाँ.
और ये शुरू से मैं करती थी. कभी ऐसे जबरदस्ती ना कि बस 2 streaks कर लिए. फिर उसके बाद एक टाइम आया कि पूरा सर ही रंग दिया. Then एक दफा I remember मैंने खुद ऐसे ब्लीच खरीद लिया, घर आ गई, 3 दफा ब्लीच किया, बाल स्ट्रिंग जैसे हो गए, टूट गए. And I was in uni and वो ग्रे तो नहीं हुआ, गोल्डन से हो गए बाल.
And your I don't know about Pakistan, but in India, when you start coloring your hair and you're still in those institutes where your school and college, teachers have a problem.
I wasn't in school. I mean, yeah, I wasn't in school. I was in uni. Actually, in school also nobody had a problem.
Oh wow.
Not that I remember. Not that I remember.
Not that
I
you took
gave
notice.
attention to.
I think they had a problem. I didn't care. It's one of those.
मतलब था भी तो मुझे याद नहीं है या मैंने attention इतनी नहीं दी उस चीज को. But they used to be strict. I remember standing बाहर वो के गलत जूते पहने हैं, गलत कार्डिगन पहना है, वो ये होता था.
Any core childhood memory or something that you always carry with you wherever you go?
Honestly, my childhood was kind of dark.
No way.
Yeah. So I think that when you see a lot of sad people around you, it just gives you this superpower
Of being grateful for everything.
dealing with things in a and having a positive outlet. Just dealing with things in a nicer way and just having that positive outlook on life, and then innately also becoming funny, cracking jokes just to get through the difficult situation. So my childhood was full of getting through it, and that became
And whatever it
a
takes
huge,
during that time too.
that became a huge part of my personality. So even now, कुछ भी हो जाए ना, I will like हो जाएगा.
You know what? I'll tell you something, and I can't say because I don't know enough about your childhood that I understand, I feel this and that.
Yeah.
But the attitude that you're talking about helps you, especially in our line of work.
Yeah.
People say, "Oh man, you did that film, it didn't do well." It doesn't matter, man.
क्या हो
I'm in
गया?
a film.
Yeah.
I'm already winning.
Yeah.
You know, you're now like you've just come back from Canada. I think.
Yeah.
Like when you go to a new country where you didn't ever live,
Yeah.
and you're received by fans, what was the reaction first of all when you went there?
When I went there, it was very sweet. It's
Right?
मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आता ना. It's just everyone, you know, every interview people will be like, so when was that point you realized you were popular? I'm like, not till date. So it's slightly strange. क्योंकि हम ना, I think हम सब ने, whoever is in the industry or wants to be a part of the industry, हर किसी को बड़ा आदमी बनना है. Like हमने ना वहाँ पहुँचना है. लेकिन जब वो ऐसे आपको हल्का सा मिलता है ना, तो आप परेशान भी हो जाते हैं कि वो हम नॉर्मल थे, ये तो बड़ा, it's a culture shock.
Yeah.
Slightly, you're like,
Well,
like I
people
want it, but you don't know exactly what's going to happen, right?
And people are screaming your name. The little girls, kids, and
it's
boys.
extremely humbling, extremely like मुझे तो बस मेरा thought ये होता है कि मैंने अब क्या करना है?
Is this?
Like, you know, how am I supposed to give back?
Do you get an out of body experience? Like sometimes, I mean, I feel like, is this for me?
Yeah.
Oh my God! And what have I done to deserve it? Do you get that sometimes? Like, oh man, this is good, and you're grateful because of the childhood. That's what I was getting at. Because everything is a plus, and this can very easily be the opposite, where you resent everything,
so it's
where you question, you're entitled. कि मैंने तो ये इतनी मेहनत की है, मेरे को क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है and all that. And now life is easy. Today you rocked out of the hotel without a manager, without 7 people, without anything. You're like, खाना मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. So and when you get food, you'll be like, oh, thanks. But the same person, if the attitude is different, will be like, oh, it's 2:00. Where's my food?
You know, it's बंदे पे depend करता है.
And बहुत अच्छा है ये, मैं बता रहा हूँ. अभी तो तुम मतलब शुरुआत है. Right? And if you like this, touch wood, I feel like. So now when you go to like Canada, dude, I can't not talk about this. Diljit, I did a film. I've done a few Punjabi films. One of the films I did where Diljit was in the lead, and they called me because the same producers, directors, for a special appearance. So I know Diljit since like 2012 or 13.
Yeah.
And ever since this guy, man, he's become this global phenomena, and he's doing this concert, this whole Illuminati tour.
Yeah.
And one of the tours in London, he sees you with your friends or sisters, I don't know. And he looks at you and he calls you up on stage. Did you like, what was that experience for you?
तो हम जैसे भी बात कर रहे थे कि कभी ऐसे फील नहीं किया ना कि कुछ बड़ा जिंदगी में कर लिया. I was there with my friends, and that plan came into existence because my friends were huge fans, and they were like, "जाना ही जाना है. Do you have like, can you get us in? Can we go stand in the front row?" So I was like, "Yeah, I got you. Like let me ask, you know." I was like, "Let me ask."
Who's organizing this? Who's the event guy?
Yeah, I'm like, I was like, let me ask. Anyway, we get there. Everyone's having a great time, and I don't know if I should say this, but like this really.
Say it, just say it.
Like this crazy moment happens where he's singing Ek Kudi, I think, and I get tired. I get slightly tired because I was standing in my boots and everything. So I sit down and I'm just looking up on the screen. And I'm looking and everyone's singing this slow song.
Such a nice song.
And everyone's singing it with their soul. And I just look up and dil se dua nahi nikalti. Like you're in the same profession and you're like,
किसी और के लिए दुआ निकलना.
I don't know what you go through to put on such a big show. But you're doing this, kudos to you, man. Like, God keep you safe.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, like, you know, you're like, because you get it. You're just
He's
like,
blessed.
itne log aapko dekh rahe hain. You don't know what's going through this person's head at this point and how the struggles that one goes through. You have no idea. So I had that moment and I was like, वाह यार. वो गाना खत्म होता है, मैं ऐसे खड़ी होती हूँ. दोबारा मैं ऐसे सामने खड़ी होती हूँ and he starts singing Lover. He comes to this side and then he just stands like this. And I'm like, who's he looking at? And all my friends like, oh yeah, oh. And I'm like, okay, what's happening? I genuinely thought he's calling a kid. वो जैसे ही बुलाते हैं, बच्चों को बुलाते हैं, लोगों को बुलाते हैं, like किसी को बुला रहे हैं. And I'm just like, sweet. And the camera start coming towards me and he's like, and I'm like, me? But why?
Oh my God.
I'm like, मैं तो ऐसे ही बैठी हुई थी. So, and it was such a beautiful moment. And when I realized he was actually talking to me and telling me, bhai, you know, you're here. And I was like, what a beautiful use of your platform, of the power that you have, the influence that you have.
Yeah.
This is what art should be able to do.
You're right.
I literally felt, after that, I felt a wave of positivity. And I felt that everyone just came together.
Do you have any favorite, like, singers or any kind of music that you listen to from India?
I'm just gonna say Bacha because I'm his friend.
Bacha's a friend of yours?
Yeah.
Bacha's
I'm just gonna represent my friend and be like Bacha.
Bacha.
I'm gonna be a loyal friend.
Bacha is a very close friend of mine also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What an amazing dude.
Very nice guy.
What a cool dude.
ये तो यार बहुत ही वो हो गया क्योंकि बादशाह के कॉन्सर्ट पे गई हैं आप कभी?
नहीं.
और दिलजीत के कॉन्सर्ट पे गई हैं?
Bacha performed a song with him at that concert.
Yes, he did. He was in his
I was
overcoat
there
and that
for
was
that.
also a great moment.
Bacha!
Yeah.
Going crazy.
So when you say artists have the power and the stage and the platform, have you been consuming a lot of Indian films growing up?
The first film that I watched as a kid, मैं बहुत छोटी थी और एक ही CD कैसेट क्या था वो थी and my mom would play this and I used to watch Teletubbies, Bugs Bunny,
What's up, Doc?
and Bacha.
What a movie! What a funny
So
film!
I watched, that was my first Bollywood movie and I watched it like 25 times easy. कातिल भी हूँ, सबके दिलों में, na 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 na. Yeah.
Bas.
हाँ.
Wow, and it's a fun film.
Yeah, मैं क्या
Right? How they used to change the office.
I love it. क्या था मैं आप ही को देख रहा था. इन आँखों से नहीं, मन की
आँखों से.
Love it.
So you saw Bacha many times?
Many times. It had I think a huge impact on me. उस वक्त समझ नहीं आती कि एक्टर कौन है, फिल्म क्या है, बॉलीवुड, this that. But the beauty of watching a certain type of films is that when you grow up ना, वो एक community आपको फिर eventually मिलती है. Like तूने देखा था? अच्छा, you're also a fan of this. And then so I met friends who who had grown up watching the same films and
That's true.
we just connected.
Wow.
I'm always looking forward to Bollywood movies, obviously.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have, if I had to ask you, Shah Rukh,
Yeah.
Salman, rank these three Khans.
ये तो बहुत ही Bollywood सवाल है.
But would you be able to?
मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगी. I don't think.
You love all three?
I don't think that anyone who's even spent a minute more than me in the industry or just alive more than me, they've been on this planet even a minute before I was. मैं कर ही नहीं सकती. Like मैं कौन होती हूँ किसी को rate करूँ, किसी को नंबर दूँ, कोई इससे बेहतर है,
किसी से ज़्यादा प्यार करूँ या कोई मेरे को ज़्यादा favorite लगता है,
यार मैं उनको secret बता दूँगी. Like I don't think I should sit on a platform and and try and tell कि जो लोग मुझसे पहले से काम कर रहे हैं और who have more experience than I do, I'm here and I'm going to rate them.
Okay.
I think that's
That's
quite
a
distasteful.
that's a very smart approach. I like that. Now that you've seen a lot of Indian films,
Yeah.
do you have a few favorites? You're like, hey man, that was like Badshah is definitely one of them. Any
Om
other?
Shanti Om.
Om Shanti Om is fun.
Yeah, Om Shanti is my favorite film.
Favorite film?
I love Tamasha.
Nice. It's a good film.
Ram Leela.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So if you had to play a role of an already existing role,
Yeah.
ideal role in one of the Indian films, which
Yeah.
one would it be? जो पहले हो
Have
चुकी
you
है।
watched Bhool Bhulaiya, the first one?
Of course, Manjulika.
Remember? No. You remember Chota Pandit?
Yeah.
I would love to be. Are Beti Pushpa? I would kill it.
Yeah.
No, like I would love to do that role.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is I think the duo Akshay sir, Rajpal Yadav,
Yeah.
all of these guys have done a few films that are just hilarious. I did a film
It was just amazing.
with Akshay sir
Yeah.
called Action Replay,
Uh-huh.
and Aishwarya Rai, me, Aditya Roy Kapoor, and
Yeah.
you know, it's back in the 70s, like a Back to the Future kind of a thing.
Yeah.
And he is hilarious in real life. And I did a film with Rajpal Yadav, who's also got some crazy electrifying energy, like even
Yeah.
on the set, even when he's
Yeah.
not acting. And so if you got a chance,
Yeah.
you would play that role.
Yeah. I like for fun. Like
Yeah, for fun, yeah.
like how we began this interview.
Yeah.
कि
Tell me.
Why not?
Tell me,
Yeah.
अगर आपको मौका मिले, अगर उससे rules और regulations को भूल जाइए कि because there was a time when we had crossed across the border, lots of artists were coming to India, Indian artists were going, and we were working. And I think in the future, especially with how things are looking, हो जाएगा ऐसे. So if you get an opportunity, which are the directors that you'd like to work with? I know you want to say everybody, but there could be a few like that you'd, hey man, because everybody's going to watch in India, maybe they'll be like, okay, mental note ban sakta hai.
This is not
They're like,
audition.
okay, no, it's not audition. They're like, see, the intent of working, the intent of being a good person, the reason you were like, hey man, bless this guy, is why God's like, this person is so nice, she's blessing the other person. Let's just, you know.
जो सिनेमा का मीडियम है ना, इसको मैं देखती ही नहीं हूँ ऐसे कि ये इस कंट्री का है, ये इस कंट्री का है, ये इस कंट्री का है. A project is just it's a very beautifully creative part of an actor's life. It's just something that they find joy in. Being in front of the camera, वो नहीं पता कहाँ से आ रही है कहानी, कौन बना रहा है, आप इंसान हो, you're coming together to create something, you're working towards a similar goal.
You're right.
So it's like that. So I would say whatever speaks to me, whatever is good.
Could be from anywhere. Could be
anywhere.
Korean drama.
Yeah,
right?
Could be
Because
Korean.
We're watching Squid Games,
Yeah.
and nobody said कि Hindi में होगा, English में होगा, Spanish में. We're all watching it, right?
Yeah.
The way you're on social media, you're very, you like this. You're natural,
Yeah.
and you're not looking for just the perfections of things. You'll put like 10 photos of something, your friends eating something and all that.
Yeah.
You think you were born in a time where social media was part of life, or this is how you guys think, right? Younger people, or is there a thought behind, hey man, I'm going to go here, I'm going to post something like this, that, or
That is me in my natural habitat. And जितना मैं उसको, I know that जितना मैं उसको complicate करूँगी ना, शोशा में घुसूँगी, मेरी ज़िंदगी complicate होगी. And I would like to keep it as normal as possible.
as simple. A lot of actors could be doing well, but doesn't mean their social media interaction and this thing goes up as much as you. So you think that the fact that you're yourself, a lot of people also love you for just your social media consumption, right?
Definitely. There's a following I have which is for the work that I do, and then there's a following of people who just know me for who I am. And they have been following me since TikTok Dub Smash days, and they own me like their own.
Yeah.
They're just.
And
like,
you value
we know
that,
you.
right? You value
I
both,
love it.
right?
I love it. And अक्सर मेरे दोस्त होते हैं ना मेरे साथ, तो how my fans meet me is very weird. They meet me like, hey buddy, क्या हाल है?
Yeah, like a
Like
dost.
they don't meet me like, ma'am.
Yeah.
Like some people would do that, but like mostly they would just say something funny or weird कि हाँ क्या चल रहा है
हाँ, मैंने
वहाँ
सुना
गई हुई थी
बदतमीजी वाला जो आपका एक वो है
यार
हाँ
मैं बदतमीज नहीं हूँ
आप नहीं हो बदतमीज बट जो बदतमीजी जो क्यूट बदतमीजी है उसका
Yeah.
कोई उदाहरण दे सकते हो that how it's come to why has it become such a thing why did it catch on
Oh my God,
Why
why
did
it
it catch
happened? Okay, now an 18-year-old is working with people who are a lot older than her, and like she doesn't know that she's expected to act a certain way or
Yeah.
be a certain way, so she says whatever she wants to. तो वो ऐसे उन्होंने कहा कि funny तरीके में ना जो मेरी first film थी, they were like बदतमीज है, but in a cute way. Like you know, she says whatever she wants to. So like I would say things without thinking, not like hurting people's feelings, but just
Yeah.
like in a funny manner. तो जब हम प्रमोट कर रहे थे पहली फिल्म, अब मुझे तो नहीं पता प्रमोशन क्या ये वो,
Fair.
had no idea. अब मुझे हर जगह लेकर जा रहे थे साथ.
Hmm.
तो my co-actor Usman Mukhtar, he would introduce the cast. Like वो एक चीज थी, wherever we would go, he would introduce the cast. So when he would introduce me towards the end, he would say रावलपिंडी की जान बदतमीजी की दुकान हानिया आमिर.
अच्छा तो ये ऐसे टैग लग गया
And that's how it started. And then once in one of my vlogs, I was like मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या कह रही थी, because this बदतमीजी thing used to be a thing. तो मैं कहना ये चाह रही थी in my first vlog, I was like मुझे ये सब नहीं करना आता, ये नहीं करना, हाँ मुझे एक चीज़ आती है वो बदतमीजी. I was like नहीं. And that clip is still alive. And people still use it and make videos and memes and everything.
have you ever been to India yet
I haven't been.
You haven't been. Do you have any dream destinations or some things? Okay, I want to go to this place, and this place
I
in
need
India.
to visit Chandigarh for sure.
That's where my parents live.
No way!
I go back. Yeah, why do you want to go to Chandigarh? I love it.
Because my
First,
friend Bacha is from Chandigarh.
Addy. Yes. So yeah, so Badshah's from Chandigarh. That's where you want to go. You go to
Yeah,
a restaurant,
yeah.
eat food,
Yes.
party a little bit, get some parathas. What do you want to eat in India? What kind of food, Indian food do you think?
I really want to try vada pav.
Okay.
Like I've had them around the world,
फिर
but
उसके लिए मुंबई आ जाओ आप. ठीक है.
Okay,
बड़ा पाव
ठीक
के लिए
है,
मुंबई आना
ठीक
पड़ेगा
है,
और मिर्ची
ठीक
के
है,
साथ. You're okay
ठीक
with
है.
spices, of course.
yeah.
ठीक है. चलो ये हम organize कराएंगे जब आप मुंबई आओगे.
Okay.
फिर?
I really want to try वो Gujarati food as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want Gujarati snacks?
Yeah.
Thepla.
Yeah. I've heard a lot about them.
ढोकला?
ढोकला and all.
तो
I've
ढोकला
heard a lot.
खाया है कहीं ना कहीं?
नहीं.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? You travel so much.
ऐसे
England
मुझे
में आपने-
दिमाग में ऐसे फीलिंग है कि शायद मुझे पता है कि वो कैसा होगा, but like
हे भगवान. यार तो हम लंदन में तो ऑर्गेनाइज करा सकते हो तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ. हम इंडियन स्नैक्स, आपने इंडियन खाना वैसे इंडिया के बाहर तो खाया है ना कुछ.
थोड़ा बहुत.
बटर चिकन खाया है?
Butter chicken is also in Pakistan. So I mean, I think that cuisine is.
But which one's
Similar.
better? You
I don't know.
You don't know.
I
My
don't.
God.
I don't know what the
So-
authentic flavor is.
आलू का
because-
पराठा खाया है?
बिल्कुल.
वो पाकिस्तान का है कि इंडियन का है? वो सिमिलर
नहीं,
है.
पाकिस्तान में खाया.
हम्म.
कितना
तो
मुख्तलिफ बनाते होंगे.
पंजाबी खाना तो फिर सिमिलर ही है. ठीक है.
Yeah.
ओके.
Yeah.
डोसे खाए कभी?
Dosa.
साउथ इंडियन है.
I've-
डोसा
yeah.
इडली.
South
उत्तपम.
Indian food also I want to try. I've tried dosa once, but I was told कि वो सही जगह से मैंने नहीं खाया. So
गोलगप्पे
बेहतर
खाए
जगह
हैं?
से. Yeah, गोलगप्पे तो.
अच्छा आपके वहाँ पे भी था?
Yeah, गोलगप्पे तो सीन है उनका.
पर दिल्ली के गोलगप्पे भी खाने हैं आपको.
हाँ.
दिल्ली का आपको चाट पापड़ी भी खानी है, टिक्की भी
हाँ.
खानी है आपको.
आपको कराची की बिरयानी भी खानी चाहिए.
ठीक है. नहीं हमारा क्या है कि
you have to
I've tasted stuff because I eat a lot of. There is a lot of Pakistani food here.
I should have brought some food for you guys.
Hana, maybe we'll make you make it next time. आप बनाती हैं खाना बनाती? Do you
नहीं,
cook?
मैं खा सकती हूँ खाना.
हाँ.
बनाने से.
मैं भी बनाता हूँ बुद्धू.
Before the chula stuff starts, I can do other stuff. The chula stuff se pehle, I can do your cutting, shutting, all of that. Like I'll do that easy.
You can be a nice sous chef. Like somebody is going to do all that. You can like help them. Okay, hi.
हाँ.
I will help you. What should I do? Little
Yeah,
chip.
yeah.
Okay, like just
हाँ.
basically you're being
बस
polite.
हल्का फुल्का.
You're being polite.
Yeah, ऐसे लगे कि मैंने कुछ किया. एक
हाँ.
चम्मच हिला दिया type.
Yes, fair. मैं बिल्कुल I am with you on this. Tell me 5 places I need to go to in Pakistan. And I'll tell you 5 places that you have to go to.
You need to go to Hunza.
Okay, Hunza. क्या है Hunza में?
It's the north. So you get
The
mountains,
Himalayas.
you get the mountains,
Okay.
you get the snow if you're lucky.
So let me give you the
beautiful
same
stuff.
thing.
Okay,
So,
yeah.
where do I have to go to?
Hunza.
Hunza. You have to
Hunza.
go to Leh Ladakh.
Okay.
Same.
Okay.
Similar
ठीक है.
thing. Crazy Geography is unbelievable. Mountains, snow, different colored mountains. It's a high altitude desert. आपने बहुत फिल्मों में अगर आपने देखी है उसमें आपने देखा होगा. So you have to go to Leh Ladakh. Okay, now you tell me the second place.
You in Lahore, you need to go Androon Lahore, Old Lahore.
Old Lahore. So you have
which
to go to
has
Delhi.
a lot of history.
You have to go to Delhi and Old Delhi.
हाँ.
Similar. चलो मजा आ गया.
Lovely.
ठीक है, दो चीजें हो गई. Third जगह आपको मैं कहाँ जाऊँ?
आप यार नॉर्थ घूमते रहो कभी ना.
हाँ, ये तो.
कराची भी जाना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
कराची हमारा न्यूयॉर्क है.
तो आपको फिर मुंबई
वहाँ
जाना
सब काम. हाँ.
फिर आपको मुंबई जाना
वो एक दफा देखना जरूरी
हाँ,
है.
आपको वहाँ
किसी को फिक्र नहीं है कौन क्या कर रहा है.
हाँ,
अपनी है.
हाँ, और लोग मतलब बिजी हैं लेकिन ग्रेट एनर्जी है. यंग लोग तो पागल हो जाते हैं मुंबई में.
बस सिर्फ काम
भी
किए
है
जा रहे हैं.
पर इवेंट्स भी हैं, कॉन्सर्ट्स भी हैं, बीच भी है, पार्टीज भी है.
सब हासिल करने आ रहे हैं.
ठीक है, तो आपका कराची, मैं मुंबई आपको ले जाऊंगा. फिर
स्कर्दू आल्सो, हुंजा स्कर्दू.
स्कर्दू की जगह आप ऐसे चला केरला चले जाइए. केरला पूरा स्टेट है.
ठीक है.
स्टेट में माउंटेन्स भी हैं, टी एस्टेट्स हैं, कॉफी एस्टेट्स हैं, बैक वाटर्स हैं. मतलब वहाँ पे ऐसी जगह है एलपी जहाँ पर रोड्स नहीं है. आप हर किसी के गांव में सिर्फ बोट्स ही, नाव ही चल रही हैं. ठीक है, हाउस बोट्स हैं. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. ठीक है, फिर आपको जाना है नॉर्थ ईस्ट भी.
ओके.
तवांग वैली, वहाँ पे मॉनेस्ट्रीज हैं, वहाँ पर ग्रीनरी अलग ही है, पैडी फील्ड्स फॉर माइल्स.
I've heard about Manali as well.
हाँ, तो आप जब ले जाएंगे, जब
Manali?
ले जाएंगे तो मनाली के थ्रू जाएंगे.
Okay.
ले लद्दाख
also
मनाली इज अ हिल
mountain.
स्टेशन.
Okay.
वहाँ पर मतलब खाना पीना, रिवर राफ्टिंग वगैरह. बट ले इज मोर एक्सट्रीम एडवेंचर. सो इफ व्हेन यू गो टू ले यू विल गो थ्रू मनाली एंड you'll be happy.
Khayali Plow.
Do you sing songs?
No.
You're a singer, buddy.
No.
You're not?
No. How did you just randomly come up with that?
कुछ बोल दो यार, तुक्का भिड़ जाएगा. हम दे रहे हैं 3 मार्क्स. बड़ी.
You're also fashion designer.
Choreographer also. डांस करो. एक स्टेप दिखा दो मैं. Alright, let me order some food for you.
Oh.
Okay, let me order something for you.
Okay, great.
ठीक है.
Amazing.
Now that I've seen your personality.
Yeah.
बेल्ट पहन लो.
क्या खाना खाते हुए भी?
अच्छा, फिर मेरे को पार्क में लगाने दो. I am putting this on park, guys. ठीक है, I'm putting this on park.
Yeah.
And that's why this thing I'm switching off and hazard glider also on. देखिए, आप दुबई आए हैं तो ऐसा खाना खाएंगे जो इस एरिया को, हाँ, जो इस एरिया को थोड़ा रिप्रेजेंट करे. So थोड़ा मिडिल ईस्टर्न. क्योंकि मिडिल ईस्ट में, wow.
Yeah.
That's what obvious. I got it.
Yeah.
I got it because I think you'll enjoy this. और आप फूडी हो. मैंने देखा है कि आप जहाँ पे खाना है वहाँ पे आप फिर खाने की भी फोटो डालते हो, वीडियो भी डालते हो.
बस वो नींद सी आ रही है.
बहुत comfortable seats है इसका. You know, these seats can actually swivel. So this is a perfect place for some badtamizi with your family or friends on a road trip. This Kia EV9 is a lounge on wheels. I've ordered you something. Let's see if you like it. What did you order for me?
I got you shish taouk.
Oh! I have to say, बहुत ही perfect order है because मुझे शीश ताउक बहुत पसंद है.
Really?
जैसे कि मैंने बोला था कि ये जो आज की ड्राइव है, it could take different twists and turns.
Okay.
क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready?
Do I have an option?
No, you don't have an option. Because मैंने ये गाड़ी लॉक कर दी.
Yeah.
Okay?
No.
We're going to play this or that.
Okay.
Dramatic roles or comedy roles?
Dramatic.
आलू पराठा और चीज नान.
आलू.
और चीज नान.
I don't even want another option.
अच्छा.
आलू पराठा.
Instagram or TikTok?
Instagram. I've built a really beautiful community on Instagram.
Nice.
I really like it.
Acting or singing?
Considering कि मेरा इतना successful singing career है. Acting. Actually, why not? Singing. I choose singing for no reason. Yeah.
बहुत सारे characters किए, they're very famous and you're followed for each character differently. Sharjina or Hala, favorite character?
Sharjina. बाहर में जाओ तुम और बाहर में जाए तुम्हारा हाई हेलो.
Diljit or Badshah? I know it's a tough one. Yeah! यार बड़ा clear गया. Co-star की बारी है. फरहान सईद और फहाद मुस्तफा.
फहाद मुस्तफा.
आपको मौका दिया था मैंने वेट करने का. बहन जी, आप मुझे नहीं चाहिए आपकी हाय और हेलो और ये आंसर, पर आपने दे दिया. वेरी थैंक यू. करण जौहर और संजय लीला बंसाली.
मेरा क्या मिला देना है भाई. Like how? What am I supposed to? As in why?
You've consumed their movies, their vibes. You said Ram Leela.
I did say Ram Leela.
हम दिल दे चुके सनम देखी है? कुछ कुछ होता है देखा है? देखो फिर
I think
सवाल बहुत बढ़िया है।
I think I'm living. I love Karan Johar movie vibes. Quite
Same.
lovely.
Yeah. Ali Zafar, Atif Aslam, both big in India.
मैं बात ही नहीं कर रही इस बारे में.
Indian film industry or Pakistan film industry? TV industry नहीं बोला. Between the two film industries, if you do this or that.
Okay, choose क्या कैसे करूँ?
मत करो.
छोड़ दे.
This, that, them.
Them. Like spitting and
Milk chocolate or dark chocolate?
dark chocolate.
सलवार कमीज और साड़ी. Oh my god.
ये मुश्किल सवाल है.
हाँ ये.
बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है.
हाँ सलवार कमीज और साड़ी. ये हुआ ना सवाल. I want to just pat my own back.
यार सलवार कमीज. साड़ी बस मेरे लिए बहुत difficult होती है. सलवार कमीज is the easiest outfit to wear.
And you look like amazing. Like all the girls, even suits में ना.
Yeah.
सूट्स और साड़ीज में लड़कियां इंडिया मतलब कमाल है.
Pool या window?
फूल है. मतलब ये तो
I
बहुत.
choose window. You will never know why.
तो विंडो से फूल ही देखती हो तुम आगे. Okay.
हाँ. Anyway, sorry. Sorry, I hijacked it.
यार थैंक यू. तुम्हें थोड़े से पैसे चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि अगर मैं होस्टिंग कर दूं तो मिल जाएंगे क्या? Holiday with friends or with cousins?
Friends. Cousins.
Because you choose your friends, cousins के साथ तो पैदा हो गए अब क्या है?
हाँ cousins. Yeah. Cousins मेरे बहुत fun है लेकिन उनके इतने बच्चे हैं. माशाल्लाह.
माशाल्लाह के much later उनके इतने बच्चे. माशाल्लाह बड़े cute हैं.
माशाल्लाह बहुत प्यारे हैं. लेकिन वो I think मसला होगा.
Eventually, want to settle down. You see your family, whatever. I don't want to know what is. Where are you settled down? Where have you settled down in life? Is it London?
I feel quite
Canada,
settled right now.
LA? No, you're young. You'll be. I don't know if you want to get married. You want to have kids. I don't know. So eventually, or you are in Karachi. You see yourself in Karachi, Dubai.
Why does settling down mean getting married and like
No, it
doing
doesn't.
nothing?
It doesn't. I'm
else?
saying today you're a certain age. Say at 50, where are you? You're in Karachi.
मुझे क्या पता भाई.
That's a good idea.
मुझे ये नहीं पता था मैं आज क्या ऐसे कैसे हो रहा है. कल का नहीं पता. 50 साल पे मैं क्या बताऊं.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do one last kind of game with you.
Okay.
It's मतलब गेम के नाम में ही you were saying ना कुछ words जो इंडिया में बहुत यूज होते हैं. गेम के नाम में ही कमाल है.
Okay.
भेजा फ्राई.
भेजा fry.
I'm
Okay.
going to ask you questions.
Okay.
You want to answer them.
Okay.
They're not your typical questions. They're very hard questions. यहाँ पे
Oh.
मतलब there are agencies that are looking for answers for these questions.
Oh, got it.
Okay. First, have you ever
Have I ever?
DM'd a celebrity?
Yes.
And who? What was the DM? देखो मैं अपना DM नहीं खोलना चाहता. देखिए आप बड़ा awkward हो
No.
जाएगा.
No.
ठीक है आप प्लीज मुझे बता. No.
I have.
You have, of course we know.
Yeah. I have.
This is before you were yourself a celebrity.
No.
Just
Not at
now.
all. Not at all.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
We want to know.
No.
Just say the name. Okay, what you have DM'd, we don't want to know.
Okay. No, I can't.
But who you got to
No. I don't think they
Boy
ever
or
saw
girl?
it. A boy.
boy? Okay.
I don't think they ever...
Indian or Pakistani or foreign? Indian. Guys, मुझे लगता है मुझे अपना फोन चेक करना पड़ेगा. आज सुबह ही मुझे DM आया, मैंने चेक नहीं किया. उसमें लिखा है प्लीज जल्दी से मुझे छोड़ देना. That should be the DM. Can it happen in 15 minutes? Please wrap it up. Have you ever walked in a mall for hours and never bought anything?
Like मतलब that wasn't the goal. नहीं ऐसा शायद एक चीज तो कोई ली होगी.
Indian celebrities though, when I ask them this question, they can't get away because I can see it, because I am from there and I know the background.
Okay.
Have you ever
Have I ever?
stolen toiletries from
No.
a hotel? Never!
No.
What?
No.
This is...
No, I don't
Really?
want to.
I know you don't want to,
I
but
don't want to.
do you have a 5-second rule? Like if something that you're eating is very tasty and it falls on the floor, do you have a rule? What happens to it? Do you pick up and eat it within 5 seconds, or do you...
अगर कहीं से बाहर कहीं रोड पे गिर जाए तो नहीं. घर पे हाँ.
If there's a fly in your tea, you're enjoying the tea.
I'll take the fly out.
You'll take the fly out?
हाँ,
Good,
yeah.
yeah. I'm
क्या
expect-
है मक्खी ने क्या ही करना है.
मक्खी ने क्या करना है? Have you ever used your celebrity status to get better seats, to get a discount, to get an entry?
There have been times where वही मेरे दोस्त, you know, can we get here, can we go there? So अब ऐसा होता है कि I know कि यहाँ पे you know देसी होंगे, तो अब जो मास्क पहना है वो उतार लिया और मैं अंदर चली गई हूँ. हम कहीं पे गए वो शॉपिंग, एंड वहाँ पे जो सेल्स में थे, they saw me and they're like, okay, come, we'll give you discount, this that. I was like, oh अच्छा ठीक है. And my friends were with me. We went to another shop. They're like, mask उतार.
क्योंकि डिस्काउंट से बड़ा कुछ नहीं है.
डिस्काउंट लेने के लिए तुम मुझे इस्तेमाल कर. हाँ, फिर अगले 3 दुकानों पे यही हुआ था.
Nice. Did you get the discount?
Yeah, I got it.
तो हम चले फिर मॉल. मास्क है नहीं. Yeah, I'm going to go with my kids and my wife's this thing. So I'm going to just call my wife and just check.
So much fun.
You want to come?
No.
Oh, how awkward is that question? You're like,
like that was so sweet.
No, we also have a cousin from San Francisco. This guy who's 27. He's also here. Just finished a wedding, so he's also coming.
It's his wedding?
No, he was here for a wedding.
Oh, he was here for a wedding. Is he good looking?
Very. Beja Fry is going well for you.
Yeah. Oh.
Have you ever had a breakdown on set?
Yeah.
And why?
So my rule is never take external stuff to set. Never
baggage.
Nothing.
And don't
whatever is happening. Yeah, and don't take set home.
Vice versa.
Yeah. So broke down because I was rehearsing for a song. And मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है. पहले 2 दिन मुझे लगता है मुझे कभी नहीं होगा कुछ भी. तीसरे दिन मैं फॉर्म में आ जाती हूँ. So
but ये होना चाहिए
that self doubt
also keeps you not comfortable, na? Otherwise you become very.
But I've always been very lucky. Whenever I've doubted myself, you know, there have been people there to pick me up.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So why do you break down? Just something emotional from
self-doubt.
home?
No.
Oh, self-doubt.
Self-doubt. Like मुझसे नहीं होगा. ये मैं कैसे करूँगी?
Wow.
You know?
Amazing. Have you ever felt like slapping somebody on the set, a co-actor or somebody on the set because it was whatever, किसी भी reason की वजह से?
नहीं, मुझे ऐसे याद नहीं आ रहा, but कुछ लोग बहुत बदतमीज हो सकते हैं. तो ऐसा feeling ऐसे आ सकती है.
So how do you deal with it? Like
अगर इसको कोई अभी लगा दे तो मजा नहीं आएगा.
Real romance on the set?
What do you mean?
Like, have you felt feelings for anybody ever?
No.
No, na?
No.
So it's because a lot of times जब लोग आप साथ में acting करते, if they're available, if they're in that space and they're, you know, like a lot of in our film industry, people work with each other and finally they're in Switzerland, वो शिफॉन की साड़ी उड़ रही है and all that, and then वो हो जाता है. पर आपके साथ अभी तक से नहीं हुआ है. आपको कभी भी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं, मैंने अभी शिफॉन की साड़ी शायद स्विट्जरलैंड नहीं किया.
So ऐसा है कोई आइकॉनिक इंडियन फिल्म गाना जो आपको लगता है कि मैं अगर शिफॉन की येलो साड़ी पहन के
अच्छा येलो है ना?
हाँ कुछ कभी है ऐसी कोई?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ है तो नहीं दिमाग में.
Okay. And any Badshah song that you want to just like and you fell in love with like his kind of music? Because
I love all of his songs, to be honest.
कोई favorite कुछ नहीं है?
I think the way he talks in his songs is just so relatable.
So relatable.
Yeah.
All right. I don't think I beja fried you. You answered all of them.
Not at all, yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
You did well. Congratulations.
Thanks.
जब आप गाड़ी में जाते हो तो you listen to a lot of music?
Yeah.
What kind of music?
All sorts. अगर chill है तो oh yes, बेवफा तो obviously.
यार इमरान खान की वो एल्बम
insane.
क्या कहीं पर भी वर्ल्ड में कहीं पर भी एम्पलीफायर बज रहा होता था ना, तो मेरे दोस्त मुझे बोला तेरा गाना बज रहा है तेरा. Because a lot of people जैसे वो निकला था ना, मेरे घर में और मेरी गाड़ी में एम्पलीफायर ही बजता था. So there's a video of you and your friend just jamming. Do you do that often, and how did that happen?
How did that happen? I'll tell you. Yeah, this happens quite often.
अच्छा.
That happened
और आप चला रही थी?
मैं चला रही थी. So my friend was working for a company. It was what are those called? Media houses. Agencies, yeah.
Wow.
So she was.
Kamal, Dhanya. Very good. Then?
So she was working one of those, and this was quite early on. And she was like, yeah, they know we are friends and they want us to do like a little fun thing. So
Okay.
कर ले. So for my friend, I was like, तेरे लिए obviously in your office everyone would be like, इसका तो बड़ा सीन है. She got.
सही है, सीन सही है इसका.
हाँ, ये तो बड़ी सही बंदी है, इसने तो करवा दिया ये
बिंदास
interview.
है.
हाँ. तो उसके लिए किया था and then we carpooled and वो आज तक जिंदा है बेवफा वाली
Did
वीडियो.
really well.
Because everyone can just relate to it, right?
Yeah.
मतलब there's some Arijit songs that you listen to और आपका breakup नहीं भी हुआ तो आपको लग रहा है कि हो गया है.
You're right.
Yeah. आप अगर happy relationship में तब भी आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है अगले पे ना. So just like that, बेवफा was that song.
Okay. Now there are lots of characters that you've done
Yeah.
in different shows. There is Daneen,
Daneen,
Romaisa,
Romesa, yeah,
Shajina,
Shajina.
that I met. Thank
Yeah.
you. Sanam,
Sanam, yeah.
Ala. इसमें से आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर कौन सा है?
इसका आपने नाम ही नहीं लिया.
क्या है बताइए?
इसका नाम है गुलमीना.
गुलमीना इज योर फेवरेट कैरेक्टर. और इनमें से देखिए एज एन एक्टर यू अब अलग अलग you know you're doing different roles and you're doing them well. Some could be intense, some could be funny, fun-filled. Who is Hania the closest to as a character out of all these?
I think Romesa. Rumi. She was called Rumi. Yeah.
Rumi. So you're
Yeah.
closest. So
Rumi,
your personality and Rumi's personality is close
Yeah,
to each
the
other.
character was when she's funny, she says really weird things.
Oh, that's you.
So I used to.
I can vouch for it, guys. For the last 2 hours, it's just weird.
Yeah,
बहुत
she was,
weird energy है यहाँ पर. मतलब बता नहीं सकता.
yeah, so she.
I was funny. That's why she was weird. No, no.
We complimented each other. This went really well.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this is awesome.
Yeah.
I would love to see you doing lots of work, your work in, of course, Pakistan, Netflix, across the world, Hollywood, and of course,
Inshallah.
जब हमारे और आपके देशों के बीच में आर्टिस्ट का आना जाना शुरू हो, मजा आ जाएगा. And the places that you want to go to, we're going to make that happen. बड़ा पाव आपको बॉम्बे में खिलाएंगे, केरला जाएंगे, आप लेह लद्दाख जाएंगे, चंडीगढ़ जाएंगे, हम एक साथ बादशाह के घर. ठीक है?
हमने उधर भी तो हुंजास करदू भी जाना है.
हाँ जी, तो वो जब मुझे अलाउ होगा तो हम लोग आ जाएंगे वहाँ पे. पर मैं तो बाइक पे जाऊंगा. तो आप पीछे अपनी
यार मुझे बहुत
आप
डर
पीछे
लगता है.
गाड़ी
मैं पीछे गाड़ी में आ
हाँ
जाऊंगी.
ठीक है हम लोग कर लेंगे. we'll manage.
हाँ.
But thank you so much for being part of this episode of the Dubai journey. Had a great time. I felt like I was meeting somebody that I know for a very long time. It was very chill,
Same,
nice
same.
vibe.
Thank you for having me.
And honestly, without embarrassing you, congratulations on all the success and all the love. You truly deserve it. Because, not just because of your talent, because you're a really nice, humble, down-to-earth person and you're grateful for all that you got. Congratulations to whoever brought you up, your mom and your whole family. Everybody.
That's
ठीक है?
so sweet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
मजा
so
आया.
much.
Thanks to Kia EV9, the journey was as smooth as the conversation. And now we can enjoy the drive and put on some Bewafa, 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 निकली
दिल से.
छूटा प्यार,
दिल
छूटा
से
प्यार.
सिगा, दिल से.